Hello and welcome to the channel. I'm here today at Five Ways Motorcycles for the Yamaha Day, where they're offering test rides on their Yamaha fleet and where they've invited people to bring in their classic Yamaha two-strokes. I've done a few bits of video with them, a few walkarounds, so sit back and enjoy these old bikes. And now I can't take a trip to Five Ways Motorcycles without having a look at the Yamahas they currently have on sale. So let's have a look. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.